Hey folks, morning I had posted one question and I had given some options. I will discuss what is the concept behind that and let us see what is that question. X is equal to and 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma and 40 comma 50 comma 60. Okay. Now here I took tuple, here also tuple. Okay. Now what I am trying to do the x of 0, 1, 2, 3. X of 3 dot up and down, up and down 50. Up and down 50. Like that I had asked one question. Okay. Similar to this, not exactly. And print of x. Print of x. Now, what is the result for this? Most of the people will think here. Okay. What is the type of x here? Type of x is class tuple. What is the type of x? Class tuple. So most of the people will think tuple is immutable. Okay. I cannot add elements into the tuple. Like that they will think. And what I am trying to add here? X of 3 dot append of 70. X of 3 dot append of 70 and print of x. Now here I am trying to print. If you are executing this, automatically your element is added in the value. Okay, x. Now, why it is adding? What is the reason behind this? Okay. Now, before that, we already discussed here how many objects are available in X. Okay. This entire tuple is one object, 10 is one object, 20, 30, and this entire list 40, 50, 60. Like that, so many objects are available here. But in which object you are trying to add here? In list object you are trying to add element here. That is the reason you are able to add element into tuple. Okay, inside list. Is it clear? Now let us see here some more questions we will discuss be related to this part. Okay. Now whenever I am taking here, okay, whenever I am taking here x is equal to like this and y is equal to x, y is equal to x. Now this one we already discussed previously, and whenever this is, what is the name of this concept? This concept is related to references. Okay, whenever you are taking like this, x is equal to some value and y is equal to x, both x and y variable is referencing same object. Okay. Now print of x is y. Automatically you will get value is true. You will get value is true. Now in the same format, if you are doing copy, if you are importing copy, and what I will do, I will take y1 is equal to, okay, I will take y1 is equal to here and copy of x, copy of x. Now print of x is y1, x is y1. Now at that time what it will happen? Now just think, revise the statement what we discussed in previous classes. Okay, x is equal to some value and copy of x. Whenever you are using shallow copy, outer object, outer object will be created new and inside object values will be shared to copied one. Okay, now x is y1, x is y1. Now, here, in case of list, values will be shared to other one. But here, what is the outer object? Outer object is tuple. This one I already discussed in previous classes. Okay, x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and whenever you are doing something like this, print of, okay, copy of x, copy of x, and y2 is equal to copy dot, okay, deep copy of x. Okay, now print of x is y1 and comma print of x is y2. Okay, both will give result is true. both will give result is false. Okay, so because x is y1 and x is y2. Wait 1 second. In case of list, not list, you have to take tuple. Okay, at that time all three objects will be true only, it is showing. Now here also same thing I am telling. Okay, now starting up your class, second class, I already discussed this part. Now this is what is the outer object tuple. Now same thing, x is y1, x is y1, what it will happen? True. X is y1, what it will happen? True. But inside this nested list is there, inside this list is there, means in here you have to think 2 points. First point you can consider this one. Okay, outer object is a tuple, so either shallow copy or deep copy, both are same only, so you are getting true. Now in here also same thing, if you are taking outer one is shallow copy, deep copy, will get result is true. Okay, but don't consider this one. With don't consider inside element, outside tuple you can consider. In case of shallow copy, what is the result? True. In case of deep copy also result is true. But whenever you are considering inside values, okay, in case of shallow copy, elements will be shared. So here both is correct one. Both is agreeing in shallow copy. So what is the result you will get here? True. Okay. Next, if I am taking deep copy, just think once. Okay. Copy dot deep copy. Copy dot deep copy of x. Copy dot deep copy of x. Print of y2. Now think 2 points. First outer object, tuple. In case of deep copy, okay, what is the result you are getting? True. In case of deep copy, what is the result? True. Okay. Now, next point. Nested, already inside the tuple, we have one more list. We have one more list. Now, in deep copy, in deep copy, inside outer object is there, inner object is there. Inner object is copied or it will create a new one. In last class only we discussed this one. It will create new one. Then what is the result for this here? You will get result is false. Okay. Now x is y2, x is y2. What is the result? False. Okay. Like that you will get the result. Okay. Now here mainly three things are there. First, in case of references, it is same as previously. Whenever if you are taking either nested one or tuple or list, it is same only, no issue. Okay, but whenever copying format, if you are taking list, outer object is a tuple, means we can add element into tuple, but we cannot add element into list. Okay, for example, if you observe here carefully once, I will take same list. I will take same list here, x dot append of 70, x dot append of 70, print of x, print of x. Automatically will get attribute error. Automatically will get attribute error. Now morning I had asked this question, what is the result? This is the result. Okay, why I am able to add here? Because total here so many objects are there. One object, second object 10, third object 20, fourth object 30, fifth object is a list. 6, 7, 8 objects are there. Now I am adding here in my list one, address is also different, so I am able to add element into list. Okay, like this you can add element and you can identify what is the result for this. Okay, now whenever you are taking shallow copy and deep copy, please observe carefully and check the address whether it is able to modify original one or copied one. Okay, now in this concept, two main things are there. Okay, I will add here what is the main concept here. X is equal to x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 we took. Okay, now this is the list, this is the tuple. For this tuple, if you are taking either references or shallow copy or deep copy, in all cases it is same only. Okay, address will be same for all three things. Original copy, original object address, reference object address, shallow copy address, deep copy address, all objects address is same only. But whenever you are taking nested one, whenever you are taking nested one like this, at that time, okay, reference case it is same object it will be referenced. And in case of shallow one, in case of shallow one, outer object it is same references, but nested object also will be copied to some other one. Okay, because it is not a list, it is a tuple, so it is forwarding to new one. Okay, like that you have to discuss and you have to think and practice more about this part. Okay, this is one of the most important concept and confusing topic also. Okay, now this is the end of your shallow copy and deep copy concept. Try to practice more and go to ChatGPT, ask some more questions for your practice. Okay, it will give some question and try to guess. Okay, and don't first you have to implement your concept, then find the answer. Simply don't throw the stone in the dark. Okay, is that clear? Thank you. Bye bye.